Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily, and here on my YouTube I make makeup videos. I don't know, I wear cool clothes sometimes, I talk about crystals sometimes, talk about strippers sometimes, you know. We got a lot of overall content starting right now, so if any of this sounds interesting and you're not already, leave a subscribe, put it on the notification bell if you want to get notified of when I make a new video. And if you guys are interested as well, I do obviously have other social medias. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, I will put all of these here for you. But today I just wanted to make a video talking about cosmetology school. I finally decided that I wanted to go to school for makeup. I'm not going to be doing hair or nails right now. I might eventually move on to do that in the future as well, but I am just going to be doing makeup at the moment. Now, I looked online and I am going to be going to a place called Tint Cosmetology School. It is located in, well, Texas, which is, you know, the one that I'm going to. There is two of them in a couple cities. They're both kind of far from me, but sacrifices, right? Now, for those of you who don't know, you need 720 hours, I believe it is, to get a certificate for makeup. So I will be doing this program for about 6 months. Total tuition there I think is about $13,000, but you only have to pay a certain amount up front, and then the rest of it, you know, student loans, Pell Grants from the government, etc., etc. Today I picked up my makeup kit from the school, which, mind you, is huge, and they use the brand Pigment Cosmetics. So today I want to do just a full face using their makeup, you know, because obviously I've never tried it, and I need to see how it works before I can use it on other people. So this is her. Like I said, the kit is very big, very heavy, bigger than my face, obviously, and it's got quite a bit in it. So I do have a list. It says here there's a neutral eyeshadow palette, a bright eyeshadow palette, blush, lip, highlight, contour, concealer palette, cream palette, lip gloss, mascara, eyeliner, primer, powder, foundations, brushes, lash curler, strip lashes, individual lashes, lip liner, eyeliner, spatula, mascara wand, sharpener, palette and spatula, brush cleaner, and makeup removal. So that's pretty much everything you need to get started. I just went through it and took everything out of the packaging, which took forever. And I think the only thing that is really missing as far as essentials goes would probably be, like, there's not like an actual powder highlight in there. I think that there's just like cream. But I'm gonna open this bad boy up and just show you guys a little bit what it looks like. So it does open like one of your typical, gosh, what's the word for it? These things, you know what I mean? This is going to be the brush thing. I already put all my brushes in here. It doesn't come with a ton, but like I said, pretty much everything you need for basics. And then I obviously have more. So as you can see here, there's quite a bit in here. I've got some mascaras, some lip products, my mini foundations, my big foundations, primers, eyeliners, lip pencils, powders, palettes. This is for mixing, makeup brush cleaner, makeup removal. This is going to have all your strip lashes and lash equipment. Half the time I'm watching Netflix during these, so if you guys ever see me looking over there, that's why. So to start off, I'm going to try out the foundation. I don't ever really wear foundation, and when I do, I put it on with the Beauty Blender, but I'm going to try their foundation, and I'm going to try it with their brushes as well. So I just put on the foundation. Turns out I'm super white. No surprise there. I am going to go ahead and do the eyebrows next. There isn't any sort of eyebrow pomade or anything in the kit, so I think I'm just going to use the eyeshadow palette. This is the neutrals palette that it came with. So I'm gonna try number 12 right here. Okay, so I'm done, and I set my foundation without doing my contour or my concealer. So now I'm gonna try to do them after, and I'm gonna be using this. Interesting, you know, probably gonna be able to conceal, and this is our not too bad on the contour. I try not to go crazy overboard or anything. This is our concealer palette. It does have color correcting colors, but since I already have the foundation on, I think I'm just gonna, yeah. This is the blush palette that it came with. It looks like the top are cream and these are gonna be powdered. You know, I don't think that I haven't used a cream blush in forever, so okay, it wasn't blending out with that brush, so I'm gonna go back with the brush that I used to put on my foundation to blend this out. I know later I should not be using the same brush for these two things, but this is the only brush that I feel like it's like you can use it to blend thick things. Okay, now that that's nice and blended out, we have a super blushed look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set this all again. So like I said, there's no powdered highlight in the kit, so I'm just gonna be using my usual. I might be Samara on Instagram did this faded cow look thing, so I'm gonna try to recreate it. So first impressions, it's not blending out very well at all, and then there's this weird patchy spot right here, so I think I'm just gonna try to use my other eyeshadow over it. Didn't really fix it, and there's still this patch, but I'm gonna try to cut the crease and hope that it looks a little bit better. then I'm just going to do the animal prints with this NYX Cosmetics liner. Kit came with a few lip pencils. I don't usually use them, but I'm gonna try this one in 4. And then it also came with this whole lip pan thing, and then a few different lip glosses. So this is the final look. Didn't turn out exactly how I thought it would because the colors didn't blend precisely how I thought that they would. So I did end up using some of my own products to try to fix it. But I think for the most part, I will be able to work with the kit and obviously learn how those products work and how I can best use them on people. I don't know exactly what the rules are as far as, you know, if we use other products compared to the ones that they gave us, but I'm gonna figure it out. I got 6 months to figure it out. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.